It's a quickie. Go back into... When you have a lot of folders in your drive, it's a lot easier to find it when you use colors and emoticons. So first of all, in order to change a color, I right-click on the folder, do change color, and click on the color I want it. If I want to add a emoticon, go to this folder. I want to add to badges here. So I will go to Get Emoji, and I'll look for a badge. Here, name badge. That'll do. Click on that. It says here, copy and paste this emoji. Copy my drive. Here are my badges. I'm right-clicking on the folder. I'm going to rename, and in front of the name, I'll paste a badge. I can also do it after the name. That will really make it stand out. I'll also change the color while I'm at it. Boom. Can't miss that now.